Righto, so I've tried a couple of different ways of doing this, and I am back to the beginning. I've tried tagging wires. I don't know if my wires are too long, but it just doesn't work. They had a bit of length to them, so I've tried it with, you know, some of that long. That didn't work. Then I tried it with some AGW 30, which is really thin. That didn't work either. So I'm going to try and just solder this directly under the board. I don't know how successful it's going to be. I'll give it a go though. Just going to hit that lot up with a bit of flux, as always, and then I'm just going to give those spots just a little bit of solder. Don't get too carried away. Looking through the magnifying glass, they're a lot bigger than they actually are. You know, when you see my, yeah, that'll probably do them. When you see my soldering iron and the size of the solder, it kind of gives you an idea. Righto, I know how this is going to work. So I've put some tape on there. I forget the name of it, but yeah, if you're doing anything, yeah, so they line up really well. So what I'm going to do before I do that is, I reckon, a bit of flux on here couldn't go astray. Just get that out from underneath it. So, touch of flux on that mob. And I'm just going to tin them a little bit. That way there'll be a little bit of solder on both sides. Righto, let's go. A little bit on each one. Just make sure you don't have any together. Righto. Let's get rid of that. Bring this guy in. And 8's in the corner there. Feels like it's on good. Kind of surprised at that. Went on pretty well. Probably should have done a ground as well, but let's just see what happens when I try and use it. Give me a couple of minutes, I'll get everything together, and yeah, we'll see if it boots. Righto, we're back, ready to go. I better log on to the computer so I can see what's going on. Connect up my serial adapter, start up putty. Out in the garage today, there's a bit of a storm coming through. Righto. So, got putty ready to go. Let's see if this works. Oh, there you go. right there. You might have missed it. SD booting. So I think this is a much easier method than trying to do wires and messing around. Yeah, I'm not sure what was going on before. I don't know, maybe it just didn't like the longer wires or whatever. But yeah, that's worked a treat.